Hello new friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Lana Cease and I'm a watercolorist from Missouri and hopefully Florida real soon, cross fingers. I'm the mom to two grown boys and their beautiful wives. Wife to Jean, who is my day labor. I'm a dog mom to three pups that are way more spoiled than I ever allowed my children to be. Sorry, kids. I've been a watercolorist for 8 years now. Wow. But I've been creating since I was a small child. Literally, some of my first memories are of sewing clothes for my teddy bear. I used to be a teddy bear artist, which is a real thing, and I had my own line of scrapbook supplies. I used to own a craft store a long time ago. I was a writer for a newspaper for many years, and currently my day job is a photographer. I have my own studio in my hometown, so you could say I've been creating a long time. Many of my paintings are still lives of antiques. I love rust and reflections, but you'll also see me sometimes paint a really cool street scene, butterflies, things in nature, bugs, mice, critters, things like that. I also really like to do color pencil, although I'm not as good at it. So here we are. We're in this place. We're gonna do this together. I've been doing this for a really, really long time. So you could say I'm somewhat of an expert. I hope to share some of my great watercolor and inspirational ideas with you here on my channel. We're going to cover some different topics like tips and techniques to make you a better painter. I want to challenge you and give you assignments. Yeah, I said assignments. Motivation and inspiration. I want to help you get motivated and get out and do more. I'm going to help you with time management. We're going to work on decluttering and downsizing your tools and space. And please don't be scared. It'll be okay. I promise. We're going to work on some product reviews, interviews with some really amazing artists that I personally love and think that they can add a lot. And of course, then I want to do some fun speed painting, some tips, techniques, those sorts of things. So if that's something that you're interested in, I would love for you to leave me a comment with some topics that you'd love to see covered here. What kind of watercolor tips, tools, techniques would you like to learn? And to be notified about my other videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you'll know when a new video comes out. If you can't already tell, I'm kind of new here, so I'd love it if you give our video a big fat thumbs up, or even better if you could share this channel with your friends so they can follow along and learn too. I would so much appreciate that. I feel like this can be a wonderful channel and we can all learn together. But most of all, thank you for stopping by, and I can't wait to see you here again. Thanks guys, bye!